Many are absent today. Why? Still festival is not finished. Okay, so one file. In the same file, we can write HTML and CSS together. HTML, head, style, follow the body, okay, follow the body. Next, after that, write the next division, or H1 you can write first. CSS transition example. CSS transition example. Write a division. First, we can keep section tags. Section tag open. Section tag is a course. ID equal to container. Inside this division, class equal to service 1. Okay. Inside the service, you will put all image. imgsrc 1.jpg. Keep one photo 1.jpg in current folder. 2-3 photo we can keep in current folder. Kept the photo in current folder. In import CSS, you have to put some photo. It is available under the external that we can copy. Okay, photo added. Come now. Run this file. See photo is coming or not. Photo should come. Now CSS we can add for container. As container, inside the container, you will write display colon, which one? Grid. Display as a grid. Next, after that, what is the next property? Display column count, something was there, no? Grid template column. Grid template columns. It called four column. Then I will write the CSS for service dot service dot service. You will write inside margin 30 pixel, padding 20 pixel, background sky blue. Okay, you will not see any better benefit because photo is bigger and only one column we have as of now, so it will come one time and it cover the full width. Write the next CSS. Service space img. Service space img. Inside the service, whichever the image tag you have, their width will be 100% and height also will be 100%. 100% of parent. Width will be 100% and height will be 100% of parent. So image will fit within the block. But since there is only one photo, only one division, so it's covering the full area. So write till here first, then we'll come to the HTML part. In HTML, we need to add some more divisions. Yes, one division appear. Division and photo. Within the division only the photo will appear. 30 pixel gap we have from all the side as a padding. 30 pixel gap we have from all the side as a padding. Completed CSS part. Right. Next, after this, we'll come down. After this, we'll come down to the SPML. This division, the service block we have written, copy and paste 4 times. Same division, you can copy and paste total how many times? 4 times. Okay, 4 times we added. Now, if you have different photo, you can change that. 2.jpg, 3.jpg, 4.jpg. Okay, check now. 4 photo will picked. What is this sky blue? You can see sky blue is coming as a background. Where that come from? The sky blue is coming in padding. Padding how much you are given? 20 pixels. So surrounding the photo, you can see some gap is there. That is 20 pixels. Try increasing that. Here, make 25 and then see. The gap is increasing or not. In service class, increase the padding 25 px. You will find the gap surrounding the photo will get increased little. So how much? 25 px. Earlier it was less, but now become more. Okay, right? So next after this, we need to apply the transition property in this. Transition property. So check once working for all and it looks similar. 4 blocks with the equal gap inside surrounding. This is not somewhere margin. It is called a padding. Padding we are written for division so that space is getting applied. Now we can write some over effect in this. Okay, what over? Dot service space colon over service space img colon over. When you move the mouse on image, those image that is available under the service block. If you move your mouse on image, those image that is available in service available under the service block, in that what should happen? In that background should rotate. Let's now apply some CSS for image, saying like transform colon rotate. Transform colon rotate. How much? 120-degree. Transform colon rotate 120 deg. Transform colon rotate how much? 120 deg. It is here. Inside the service image, once the mouse will go, it rotate how much? 120-degree. But you can see how fast it is happening. It is happening very fast. That rotate we can control. We can rotate it, but slowly. So how to control that? We have to apply here a property called transition colon rotate. Now transition colon, which property we are changing? Transform in 2 seconds. I will cross check once. Yeah, it's working now. So it's taking total 2 second time. It's take total 2 second time. Okay. Happening. When you move the mouse here, this is rotating slowly or happening fast? Okay, you can change the duration. If you increase the duration, it will become slow, and decrease the duration, it will become fast. If you increase the duration, it will become slow, and decrease the duration will be fast.
Sir, can we add the transition transform 3 second to colon hover dot service image colon hover. Can we add there?
No, there you can't add. It should be under the transition will be here only. Where?
Yes.
Transition will be here only when you change the property. See, what is the meaning of transition is transition property. Okay, let me cut and add there. You want to add here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I added. Now let us see. Same thing happening, but okay, but this is wrong method. Ask why. Ask why when mouse is moving here.
Yes, sir.
This property is getting applied.
Yes.
Transition property says like transition property say when changes happen in property.
Okay.
When the changes will happen in the property, then transition will identify and automatically it will get called. You can see we have written for image.
Yes, sir. Image.
We have written for image in the beginning. After that, what was happening? When the page was getting load, that time there was no any effect at all.
No,
When
sir.
it was getting applied, when we were adding the new property. So new property we have added called
transform.
Applying at this location will be wrong habit. You
Okay.
should apply into their original CSS.
Okay.
Then the particular hover will happen and this will get changed. When the changes will happen, then this transform will get applied.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Write it and increase, decrease and check once. Okay. Next, after that, let's come to the code again. Now write another property on this one. Which one? On service. By default, you are given a sky blue. Okay. Now write here call. Again transition colon background. That represent when the changes will happen in background. When the changes will happen in background, then those changes should apply in 2 seconds. Now, when you will do the changes, that is no matter, but whenever the changes will happen, that will take 2 seconds to apply. On which property? Background. Below to that, dot service space service colon hover dot service colon hover dot service colon hover background colon orange color. Now when you do when your mouse will move on service, then the background will convert into orange. But how long it should take? 2 seconds. Check now. Ning. Let's add one more property, comma, height. Height make 250 pixel. No, not 250 pixel. Height should reflect in 2 seconds. Transition background, how long? 2 seconds. Height will take how long? 2 seconds. Now on hover, you apply the height also here. 250 you give. Okay, happening. Okay, height happen immediately. It's happen immediately. It's and happening everywhere. It's happening everywhere. Okay, hold on. Let me cut from here and come back here. Let's write call transition colon height 2 seconds. But again, this will be the wrong habit to applying on same location at same time. Same problem. Oh, is getting applied for all. Timing is only not under the control. Transition height 2s. So this is something wrong we are trying. Okay. So remove this transition property from here. And height we have added here. Okay, height is breaking it, so we'll leave the height. Height where I have added again. Okay, over height I have added 200 pixels. This size is okay. But height wise, why problem happening? What else we have? Let me see once. Okay, next property we have called overflow. Overflow hidden, overflow scroll, overflow auto, overflow X, overflow Y. Okay, so let's come next. We'll create another file for overflow example. In this, it will become mixed. It will be difficult to understand. So better next create next file overflow.html. Overflow.html file name. File name overflow.html. HTML open. Follow head body. Head style and then call body. Next, after that, write one p tag. Before we can write h1 also. CSS overflow example. CSS overflow example. Now inside this p tag, okay, so this p tag we will keep inside the div tag. P tag you will keep under the div tag, and under the p tag you will keep some 3-4 line. Under the p tag, write id equal to 1. Second paragraph, id equal to 2. And we have added the text. For that, we'll apply now CSS for ID1 and ID2. Then we'll see overflow, how it is going to work. Now write the CSS for one as one. For body, we can write one line CSS. Background is a green color. Background green and color as white. Color white. Okay. Background for body tag, you remove that. The minimum CSS code we need to get idea. Write directly for one. Okay. Height for one. 100 px and width for one is 200 px. Background is orange color and display colon inline block. Display inline block and height width given and vertical align top. Content should print from the top side. Check now how it is coming. Something here there. Something like this. You should have more content, okay? This is the second paragraph. So second paragraph is making problem first. Let's write some CSS or you can cut also. Cut the second paragraph or comment it, block comment. Comment like this. We will use it after this. You can comment like this. Comment. And again you can comment like this. This becomes a commented code. Okay, commented second block. Check now. Something like this. Content is getting overflow. Now let's write inside CSS overflow auto. Overflow colon auto. Overflow auto. overflow auto. Now the scroller got applied automatically. That is because of overflow auto. Instead of overflow auto, let's write overflow hidden. Overflow hidden. Then see what will happen. It will not show all content. It will display only certain content. Right? Remaining are hiding. Even no outside, not even inside. Remaining, whichever is extra, that will become a hidden. This become overflow hidden. Overflow auto, what it says? Overflow auto means a scroller will get line. Overflow hidden means apart from height and width, whichever the extra content you have, it will not be visible. That is called overflow. Okay. Next, after this, write overflow visible. Overflow visible. Overflow visible, what difference is coming? Let's check once. Overflow visible, default one. Default property overflow visible. Now overflow scroll. Overflow scroll. Overflow scroll. Bottom also a scroller and right side also a scroller. So both the side, left side and right side, both the side a scroller get applied. In which case? Overflow. But the bottom side not working. No, because content is not there. The length what you have, the length of the content is small. If the word's length will be bigger, then it will come here also. Like you want to see that, I'll show you. Here, I will go here and I will merge multiple words together. Now sentence, the word length will become bigger. Word length will become bigger. If the word length is bigger, like horizontally, if the content is bigger, then only that scroller will come. So this becomes a big word. If I run now, see here also got applied. That is called overflow. Overflow scroll means in overflow scroll, wherever you have the content more, either top to bottom or left to right, everywhere scroll will get applied. Everywhere scroll will get applied. Which scroll is not working? Check once you have content or not. Overflow scroll. There should be more content. No. Overflow scroll. You have written wrong. No? That is not comment of CSS. Remove the comment. That is HTML comment. Become the error. HTML comment you wrote in CSS. That become as a error. Okay. So HTML comment we wrote in CSS. So what will happen? Error will happen. Okay. So right. We have one more call. Scroll overflow X and a scroll overflow X and overflow Y. Okay. Horizontal and vertical, both the side. Overflow, what we saw overflow scroll, overflow hidden, visible was default one. Then we wrote for overflow X and overflow Y. Okay, overflow X, overflow Y, we can write somewhere. In the same division, you write overflow hyphen X as a visible and overflow Y hidden. Overflow X scroll, overflow Y hidden. So one side something like this. Top to bottom hidden. Top to bottom hidden. Left to right scroll. So what is the use of this scroll as overflow? Like suppose you have more content in one file. Not one file, in one division we have a lot of content, and when there is a less space, we have less space, and inside the less space we want to accommodate a lot of content. Then what we can do? We can use this property, a scroll overflow. So in the less height there will be more content. Now let's make it better. So this class what we have written, ID we have written, convert into p tag. Convert into p tag simply. And below you remove the ID. Let it be only p and uncomment the block. Uncomment the block. Okay, written. Now in that vertical align topic, okay, overflow apply as a this one. Call it a auto. And remove this hidden. Let's keep height little bigger. 200 nearly. Width keep nearly 300. So but height and width we can't keep manually here. Okay, Manually also we are keeping. What will happen is number of block will not fit as what we want. Okay, so this is okay. We have written display in line block or paragraph. Now in both the paragraph, you have to increase the content. In both the paragraph, you have to increase the content. Okay, open close. Now come down, increase the content of the paragraph, add more content, and repeat this paragraph total 3 times. Then check once. Let us check now. Coming like this. Then you have here, but content should be more, then only it will be better. And we can write some margin also here. Add some margin, 40 pixel. Put some padding also, 30 pixel. Then 40 pixel, padding, 30 pixel. Okay, got it. Let us check now. Should look like this. Space got apply, and this also got. So this is become as a in less height. If you want to display more content, how to display? We can use property called scroll overflow. We can use the property scroll overflow. Scroll overflow or overflow. Overflow. So check now. Hope is working for everyone. We'll see the next example. Next example is related to menu and submenu. We have created or not? Before that, we have not made menu, submenu. We have made single page application, but we have not made something menu and submenu. Under internal also, if I see, there was no such example. Template 5 was something else. It was not menu and submenu. Okay, so come to the next file. Write the next file, menu, submenu. menu submenu dot html, menu submenu dot html. Menu submenu. Let's go ahead. HTML. Then follow the head section. Follow the style block. Write the body tag. Follow the UL. Follow the LI. And this you can keep 5-6 times. Follow the home. About us. Contact us. Services. Clients. Branches. Register. Okay, done menu. So first we'll write the CSS for menu. It will be ID as a main menu. ID as a main menu. So first we'll write the CSS for main menu. Then under services we'll put the submenu. Under services we'll put the submenu. Under branches also we'll put the submenu. Come down. Main menu. As main menu. Background black color. Margin 0 px. Background black color, margin 0 px. After that, padding no need to give here. Okay, color you can write as a different color. Color let's keep white only. Color as a white. Next, under the main menu of LI. Under the main menu, whichever the LI we have. Under the main menu, whichever the LI we have. Okay, that should be displayed in a line block. Line block. Display in line block. After that, padding. Top, let's keep 15 px. Left, right, 30 pixel. And bottom also 30 pixel. So this happened for the main menu of LI. Under the main menu, whichever the LI we have, this happened for that. Okay. Check now. Something like this. Font size we have to increase. Padding 10 look like a smaller. 18, 18. 18, 18. And this is made as a 40. Then increase the font size to 2 px. Font size 22 px. See something like this. Font size is increased. Little gap is on the top, that also you remove. You can write the CSS for body tag. For body tag, we can write some CSS and write their margin from left right 10%, from top 50 px, left right 10%, bottom 50 px is okay. This is in the body tag. Okay, done. Check now. From top gap is 50 pixel, left right 10%. So this menu is ready. You can apply the CSS for hover. Here you can put cursor, colon pointer, cursor colon pointer, then has main menu of li colon hover. The background should convert into red color. Convert into red color. Okay, done. Check now. Mouse move, converting into which color? Red color. So hope your menu is ready. Let me know. If the menu is ready, we'll work on sub menu. Okay, now come to the sub menu. Inside the service li, open a UL tag. Under the service li, open a UL tag. Close the UL tag. For this UL tag, you will give class equal to sub menu. Class equal to sub menu. Class equal to sub menu. Let's go next. Right inside call li software development. Next li marketing, sales and marketing. Sales and marketing. Next li jobs and employment. Next li something else. Content writing. Next li digital marketing. This all we added under the sub menu. Okay, open. Come down to the branches. Inside the branches, add again submenu, ULLI, class equal to submenu. Add Bangalore by David Chennai. Okay, written. Refresh your page, it will go here, there. Something like this. In services, these 5 services. Under the branches, these branches. Something like this. Right? So check, look like this, it's become something else. We are trying to make menu submenu, it's become something else. Right? CSS we have to write for the submenu. Okay. Write the CSS for submenu. Should look like this. Write the CSS for submenu dot submenu. Dot submenu. Submenu background will be green color and color will be white color. Background green, color white. Background color green, and color is a white. So it is something like this. Submenu. This is the submenu. Wherever the submenu you have, it is in the green color. Next after that, next after that you will write dot submenu of li. Under the submenu, whichever the li is there, that should not be display in line block. That should be display in line. Should be display block. it should go to the new line. It should not be in the same line. Display block not working. Exclamation important we need to apply. Set higher priority. Exclamation important. Yeah, added. Now see, it should look something like this. Now it's coming under the submenu. But little problem happen. You can see because of the child menu, the parent menu change the position. Children are there, so parent has changed their positions. Right? You can see in branches. Because of child menu, the parent change the position. Now we need to write some CSS where parent should be on the position, child should follow them. Because of child, parent should not change the position. Parent should be in the position and child should follow. Look first HTML. Li is the parent and the submenu is the child. Again, Li is the parent and submenu is the child. So in submenu class, you will add a property called position absolute. Position absolute means submenu, you follow the parent. Parent should not change the position because of you. You follow the parent. Means follow the correspond surrounding. Okay, wherever your parent start, you start from there. Don't move where in the beginning. So where the parent start, you start from there. So what will happen now? Li will be in the same line, and from Li the UL will start. Should look like this. Something. This is the main menu. This is the sub menu. This is the main menu. This is the sub menu. Little CSS we need to write to adjust. It should come in left side. Here there is happening, no problem. We can manage that.
Sir, if you want to do like that, when we click on service, then only that's what we do.
Click not mouse move will happen. That is the next step. You can't display like this, no? In website, when you move the mouse, then submenu will open. That is next steps, right? So position, what is doing? It is asking the submenu to follow the parent. Now you write the next. Hide the submenu by default. Display 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 colon none. So don't display the submenu by default. Submenu is hidden now. Submenu will be hidden now. Submenu will be hidden now. Submenu will be hidden. When the mouse will touch the main Li. Now let's go here. So you hope you can see submenu is hidden. Now we will write here, when the mouse will touch has main menu, have Li. Okay, main menu have Li, colon hover. When the mouse will move on main menu of Li, like on the main Li, when the mouse will touch, when the mouse will move on main menu of Li colon hover, Then check is there any submenu, because submenu is not exist everywhere. In the few menu only we have the submenu. So we are checking under the main menu of li when the mouse move will happen. Then check after moving the mouse inside any submenu is there. Yes, in some places we have the submenu. What is the status of submenu? Display none. You will make here display block. Display as a block. So as soon as the mouse will touch the li, submenu will open. Check now. As soon as the mouse will touch the submenu open. It is simple code only, no, not very complicated code. Less code, logical code. What is happening in each line? Services, client. Once the mouse will touch the parent, it will check it has the submenu. Yes, then make it visible. Little position adjustment we have to do. Position adjustment in the sense, you can see the submenu is little this side. It has to come little this side, right? So in the submenu, we need to add some CSS. Then it will come in the left side. Let me modify it. Two, three people only said working. What about others? Okay. Next, let me write here some CSS. Then menu of li is now submenu of li. Writing 5px 0px 5px. Is there something wrong? Zero px from top, 0px from left, 0px from bottom. No, something is happening. Margin. Hyphen left. Margin hyphen left. Minus 30px. Under the sub menu, you need to add these two lines. Under the sub menu, you add padding 000, margin left 40 px. Sub menu, padding 00, margin left minus 40 px. Margin left minus 40 px. It will look like this. Padding 000, margin left minus 40. Then it should. Okay, working. Check now. Hope your code should work like this. Something. This is called menu and sub menu. We'll see you again tomorrow. Will be last of CSS. After tomorrow, something else. Some more property we have that we'll cover tomorrow. I will share the CSS code in this file in your chat.
Sir, I didn't get yesterday's recording, sir. Yesterday's recording which
Not uploaded.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah.
I will upload today. You can check it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so files are in the chat.